Kerala, God's own country, the place that took the aroma of its spices to faraway lands across the seas. A place with pleasant weather and beautiful landscape rich with many art forms. I'm here today to pick up some cooking styles indigenous to Kerala. It really helped to know that the Responsible Tourism Mission's Learning Experience package included cooking classes as well. I'm headed to Vaikam to meet Manju Madam, a person who has created magic through her culinary skills many a time. The first lesson begins with handpicking vegetables from the organic garden and then chopping them into pieces of different sizes. It is the accuracy of the mix that one has to master. Grinding salt, chili, tamarind, onion and scraped coconut together in exact measure is what makes this mix special. As per her advice, only the grinding stone can impart the same flavor to the mix. That is something I have experienced for myself many times. She tells me that there are no secret techniques when it comes to cooking. All it takes to be a good cook, she says, is passion for cook and love for food. She then took me through the ingredients used for making the mix, the quantities in which it was ground, and how to coat the mixture on the cleaned fish. She knows that I love fish fry. She has included curry mean or pearl spot along with sadhya for today's cooking class. The most popular dishes that usually appear on a Malayali's dining table, the pachadi, khichdi, olan, thoran, avial and many others are essentially Kerala's very own. Malayalis have an order in which the dishes are served at the sadhya too. The satisfaction on the guest's face is what makes the person who prepared the food happy. I saw that happiness on Madam's face today. Dinner is another personal favorite, chicken roast and chapati. For this, first, oil is heated and then onions, green chilies, curry leaves and shallots are sauteed. The mixture is made into a paste then using a mixer grinder. Then she explained what the other ingredients are and the quantities that are needed to be heated and prepared. Cut pieces of chicken were added to the ground curry paste and mixed well before being covered with a lid and allowed to sit on the flame. Madam's cooking classes didn't just include vegetables to be cut or ingredients for the curry and its paste. It also covered the duration for which they needed to be cooked, the temperature, the vessels to be used, and how the dishes have to be served. Manju Madam is an accomplished culinary expert, and there are many more like her who have registered with the Responsible Tourism Mission's Learning Experience package to teach cooking. If you love traveling, this is a golden opportunity to learn how to recreate the local flavors from those places too.